The TILYMOL three-piece spinner luggage set offers exceptional expandability, allowing the larger suitcases to increase their capacity by 20%, which is perfect for packing extra items on your travels. Equipped with smooth and silent multi-directional spinner wheels, this luggage set provides easy maneuverability and has successfully passed rigorous quality tests, ensuring durability and performance. Constructed from 100% ABS material, the design boasts a scratch-resistant textured finish, maintaining its pristine appearance through numerous journeys. The lightweight yet robust telescoping handle is made of aviation aluminum, offering superior support with the ability to bear loads up to 100 pounds, outclassing many competitors. Security is a priority with the integrated TSA lock, combined with a puncture-resistant YKK zipper, offering enhanced protection for your belongings. This stylish luggage set is designed to fit within most airline overhead compartments, making it an ideal choice for both short and long trips.